visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May the 21st to May the 31st reading. Ayan, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo doon, so pwede po kayong sumali. No? Capricorn, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Alright? Magsimula na tayo. Papatibayin tayo this week. Maraming pwede rin tayong matutunan. It may not always be a challenge. The universe might give us a foundation, no, for us to stand our ground, for us to fight for our right. Or it could be a knowledge, no? It could be a knowledge base downloaded from the Akashic records. One thing is for sure. These foundations may be a tool for you to utilize para mabago mo, no? Ang course ng iyong buhay. Chances are with the base chakra in here, nandito yung kumbaga sa training, no? Ito yung training mo bago ka isabak, no, sa isang laban. I think that you are also going to learn the art of mastering something. No? It could be your own hobby. It could be the life per se. Wag naman siguro sa life. No? So yung hobby-hobby na lang. Yung siguro yung music instruments, no? Na yan ang iyong kinakahiligan. Or editing, or baka you're doing some vlogging as well. With the Eight of Swords, the Strength card, and the Two of Pentacles. So it felt like you are going to be given a specific task, or parang the universe is going to push you to go to this way, no? Ang pagkakaiba nyo ni Sagittarius, meron si Sagittarius, it's almost a total no, no? Sobrang matigas ang ulo. Ikaw, nandun ka sa susubukan ng konti. But then again, tama ba yung ginagawa ko? Kumbaga, there are actually doubts, no? With the steps that probably you're making, there may be some issues with self-confidence as well. With the Knight of Cups, the Two of Cups, and the Ace of Cups. Parang pinapagalan pa natin Ang maganda dito, if in case this is romantic, the universe is telling you, sige, bigyan mo na siya ng chance, no? Especially doon sa mga singles or sa mga nililigawan, no? Or doon sa mga nanliligaw. I feel like, sige, gawin mo yan kasi that person is going to really love you, no? Pero kahit nakikita mo yung etong mga signs na si person is reciprocative, with your energy, medyo dinadahan-dahan natin. And I think that that is still okay with your situation kasi siguro ayaw mo lang naman talaga magkamali. Ayaw mo lang din siguro um, yung past mo, no, nagkaroon na ng learning experience because of what happened before. So, chances are you're becoming more wiser. Pero sometimes we also need to listen, no? Kasi parang nandiyan na yung tao para sa'yo. Nax. Mahal ka rin naman ito. Uh, and again, it's okay na bagalan mo, no? Wala naman sinasabing wag mong bagalan. Pero itong message na ito is actually a security na it's okay for you to fully trust, no, the person. The King of Cups, the Sun, and the Moon card. I'm seeing a lot of magandang flows, no? Yes, you may have a lot of questions, and I think that these probably relationship is just new. Um, Ngayon siguro medyo awkward yung katahimikan. For some reason nagkaroon ng awkwardness, no? And I think that this, well, somehow wala pa namang ina-announce na tag-ulan na talaga kahit medyo umuulan-ulan na. But I feel like medyo bago-bago lang ito. It started this summer. So you're probably asking yourself na meron ba talaga pagtingin sa akin tong person ko? Um, Totoo bang yung pinapakita niya sa akin? Kasi the moon card serves as, parang for you to swim with a lot of questions. The chariot and the page of wands. For a few numbers of you, baka kasi nagkakilala kayo nito sa online, no? Yung iba. It could be dating app, especially for those who are in LGBTQIA+, no? So, sa ating grinder, ayan. But I feel like napakaganda din naman, even though na nasa, um, even though, no, nandun tayo sa pagka questions natin, or nandun tayo sa mga questions na dumadating sa buhay natin, maganda siya. Maganda yung pwede niyang ibigay, um, na saya sa puso natin. With the Four of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, the King of Wands. Nakakita ko dito na, alam mo, parang feeling ko yung awkwardness na to. Kasi si person, ibinigay niya na, binuhos niya na yung kanyang mga dapat ibigay sa'yo, no? With the King of Wands in here, ikaw na lang siguro inaantay niya. I think that this person wanted to have a heart-to-heart talk, no? It may also be siguro lalabas kayo for, real conversations. But I feel like parang gusto niyo lang malaman, no? Face to face. Ano ba itong totoo mong nararamdaman sa akin? So, the King of Wands is a person who wants a brutally honest conversation. And I feel like this is what's going to happen this week. So prepare yourself dahil medyo aggressive. Not really aggressive yung away, but, direct, no? Yung mga questions na ito. So let's check your zodiac sign. Let's check your person's zodiac sign. This is your reading for the week. Capricorn, but before that, I wanted to know na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo doon, no? So, I wanted to know na pwede kayong sumali. Sa baba po, no? Kung hindi nyo maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong sa comment section, no? Kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, pwede naman po kayong pumunta na doon sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. Ayan. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Leo, Taurus, Virgo, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, Leo, Capricorn, Sagittarius. This is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just